Today's medical-centric topic is, what is a fasting mimicking diet? You've probably heard of intermittent fasting, but what if you could get the benefits of fasting without giving up food entirely? That's where the Fasting Mimicking Diet, FMD, comes in. It's a cutting-edge approach that tricks your body into thinking it's fasting while still allowing you to eat small, nutrient-dense meals. Sounds too good to be true? Let's break it down. What is the Fasting Mimicking Diet, FMD? FMD is a short-term, plant-based eating plan designed to mimic the effects of water fasting. It typically lasts 5 days and involves eating very low calories, about 800 to 1100 per day, depending on the day and your body size. Developed by Dr. Walter Longo, a longevity researcher, FMD is designed to support cellular repair and regeneration, reduce inflammation, lower insulin and IGF-1 levels, trigger autophagy, cell cleanup mode, promote fat loss while preserving lean muscle. What do you eat on FMD? The diet is low in carbs and protein but high in healthy fats. A typical day might include nut bars, broth-based soups, olives or kale chips, herbal teas, a small portion of veggies or low-glycemic fruit. It's often done using a packaged meal kit like Prolon, which includes pre-portioned foods, but you can also DIY it with a dietitian's help. Who can benefit from FMD? FMD may be helpful for people looking to lose weight, reduce belly fat, improve metabolic health, support healthy aging, reduce inflammation, reset unhealthy eating habits. Some early studies even suggest it may help lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and markers for type 2 diabetes. Pros: easier than full fasting, you still get to eat. Backed by research. May support longevity and cellular health. Can be repeated monthly for long-term benefits. Cons: low energy during the 5 days. Not for pregnant, breastfeeding, or underweight individuals. Can be pricey if using a kit. Needs medical guidance if you have chronic health conditions. How often can you do it? Usually once a month, depending on your health goals and provider's advice. Some people do it every 3 to 6 months as a reset. Bottom line, the Fasting Mimicking Diet offers a science-backed way to tap into fasting's benefits without giving up food entirely. It's not a daily plan, but when done safely, it can be a powerful tool for health, longevity, and metabolic reset.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.